All right, good morning, meteorologist Dean Davison from the Weather Pros, also from Responding Fire. We're going to talk about what's going to be going on the next week or so, how this pattern is set up. I know us in Virginia and North Carolina, people love snow. We got some good snow, over 15 inches in some areas, such as where I'm at in Stewartsville, Bedford County, outside of Roanoke. Amazing snowfall totals. But what we're going into now is a little light snows moving through the areas such as like lower Hudson Valley, northern New Jersey, parts of Connecticut, in far western parts of Massachusetts. We're going to see that move out, and our next system is going to be a rainmaker, and it could cause flooding, especially to the areas, like I said, North Carolina and Virginia, where we've had all that rain. Strong low pressure system cranking up here over Texas and moving to the east. We could see some severe weather from that also. As this moves to the east, you can see we got some southeast wind pulling here. The lows sitting here near Tennessee. Heavy rainfall in Missouri. That is snow this time. Heavy rainfall in North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia. We're talking about up 3 inches when this is all said and done. This low pressure then will be moving through West Virginia. The cold front will cut through and move off the coast. We don't see any kind of winter precipitation here in the northeast, such as anything south of the New Hampshire line. This will continue off the coast. A little snow up here in Canada. That's a little bit of a break you're going to see here. High pressure builds in. A little bit of a clipper comes through. Could affect areas in New York by the time the 22nd comes along. And we're heading towards Christmas. And we're seeing a little bit of snow. We're going to actually move this along a little bit. This is still going through. So we'll go to the last model run where we would end on this one that's developing. And you'll finally see what's going on towards Christmas. So when we see this Christmas, towards Christmas, these low pressures, mostly rain this time, but we have to watch this because as cold air sinks in, this could be dependent. If the cold air sinks in faster, there will be more snow on this. So we're going to keep an eye on it. The pattern definitely will increase its availability for a snow pattern as we head into January. That's the big thing. And then possibly a little bit of a streak of snow with a front laying across by the 28th. Like I said, this will then set up for a more deepening pattern in January, which would likely lead to a lot more snowstorms here on the East Coast. Until then, we'll talk to you again soon. I hope everybody's being safe and enjoying their week. And we'll talk to you again later. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.